Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you? Today we start 10th class math chapter number 7 exercise number 7.1. First question, locate the following angles. We draw these angles which are given. First angle 30. You know that in our axis, you know that is 0 point. Here is angle 0 and 0 and that is angle 90. From here we draw. First of all we want here angle of 30. You know that in middle from here 0 and that is 90. If we draw here, for example, in center we take a line that is 45 angle. Here we need 30. It means we divide these portion in 3 parts. Our 30 angle is coming here. That is our angle of 30. Number 2, we see another example, 135 angle. We draw here axis. Angle 0. That is our angle 90. We need 135. 35 plus that is angle of 90. 35 plus 10, 45. 45 plus 90, 35. It means here we need angle of 45 from here. That is angle of 45. And from here that is angle of 90. 90 plus 45. 45 angle plus 90 angle, it become 135 angle. It means our total angle is 135. 135. That is angle of 135. Number 2. Now we see example number 3. Here we draw axis. From here that is angle of 90. Ninety plus 90, total is angle of 180. We need here angle. Now we here see 225 minus 185. 1 carry here 12. 12 minus 8 4. It mean here we need angle of 45. We draw here angle of 45. Now our total angle from here, that is 225 angle. 225 angle. That is our 225. I am trying to teach very easy method of making angle in axis. Now we need example number 4. We have minus 60 angle. We draw here axis. That is positive and that is negative x, positive y, negative. We need angle of minus 60. Here is minus 90. And that is 0 point. Here is angle 0. For example, that is our angle of 45 angle, and we need here minus 60. 45 plus 15, 60. Here we draw angle of 60. Here is the angle of minus 60. Now we see 6th number, minus 120 angle. We draw here axis, that is x axis, minus x axis, y axis, minus y axis, y dash, we say y dash. Here is minus 90 angle. We need here 120. If we add 30, it become 120 angle. That is 90 angle. If we add 30, that is 30. It become angle of 100 minus 120. 120 angle minus 120 angle. And other example, minus 150. We draw here axis. X axis, x dash, y axis, y dash axis. That is total 180 angle. That is 90 angle. That is minus 90 angle. That is minus 180 angle. Here we need 150. That is minus 90. If we add angle of 60 in minus axis, that is angle of 45. We need angle of 60. From here count, that is minus 150 angle. Minus 150 angle. Dear students, that is very easy method for drawing angles